Welcome back to our series where we are doing data structure and algorithm question, and we are trying to understand how this question works and how the problem is being phrased. So today's question is daily temperatures. Given an array of integer temperature represent the daily temperature, return an array answer. That answer I is the number of days you have to wait for the ith day to get a warmer temperature. If there is no future day for which this is possible, answer I equal to 0 instead. So your temperature is 73, 74, 75, 73, 74 is 1, 74, 75. So here no doubt we have to use stack. So why do we have to use stack? Like, what is the intuition behind it? As I said in the beginning of the stack problems, when an element is depending on a future element, or whenever your state is depending on some future element state to get a result, that means it's a clear choice that we have to use stack. If you remember the valid parenthesis question, that is also similar kind of question, that your current bracket depends on the future, that which bracket is going to come. On the basis of that only you can identify the answer. So here also the same thing is happening, that if you see this 73 temperature depends which will be the next greater temperature, so it depends on 74. So it basically, it is a clear intuition here that we have to use stack. Now that the question is clearly saying that you have to deal with the index, not with the actual value, so we will store the index in the stack. So let's try to dry run it, what I am trying to say here. So what we will do, we will keep the temperature in the stack. As soon as we get the next highest temperature, we will we will minus that index from the top of the stack, and that will be the answer. For example, 73 is at 0 position, then 74 is 1 position. 74 is greater than 73, so 1 minus 0, 1 is the answer. Then 74, 75, 74 is going to be present in stack. Then 75 is greater than 1, 75. Then 71 will also 75 will be in stack. 71 will also be, because 71 is not greater than 75, so we cannot pop out 75, right? The invariant here is that the next temperature should be greater than the current temperature, then only we will pop out from the stack. The stack will always store indices of day with strictly decreasing temperature, like here 75, 71, 69. This all of three will be in stack in decreasing manner. Okay, so let's try to do it in dry run, it will be more clear. So you see I have already this thing 70, so on 73, 74. So my I is 0, 73, so nothing, so obviously the claim we will put it. Then 74, I will check the top of the stack, it is 0, at the temperature 0 is 73, so 74 is greater than 73. I will pop out I minus 1, so 1 will my result for 73. Then for 74 we will put it in stack. Then 75, so 75 is greater than 74. Again we will take out 2 minus 1, it will be 1. Okay, so 1. Then 75 will go into the stack. 2 71, it is not greater than 75, so it will be also in the stack. Then 69, 69 is greater than the top of the stack. No, 69 is also not greater than 71, 69 will also go into the stack. Okay, sorry. Then 72, 72 is greater than 69, yes it is. So so the answer for this 69 will be 1. Here we didn't get any answer yet, we also didn't get any answer. So for 69 answer will be 1, because 72 is at 6th index, 5th index, and 69 is 4th. Now the third index, 72 is greater than 71 as well, yes it is greater, so we will pull that one also out. So 5 minus 3, 2, so we will put 2 here. Then 72 will go into the stack, so it will be 5th position. Then 76, 76 is greater than 72, yes it is greater, so we will put answer 1. Then at second position we have 75, 76 is greater than 75, yes it is greater, then we will pull out this as well. So 6 minus 2 is equals to 4, so we will do it as a 4. Then 76 will be in the result, the 6th, and 73 will be there, and both of them will not be, we didn't encounter any greater one, so 0 0. So let's start coding. First we will create a stack int st, and we have to create a vector in order to preserve the result. We will initialize the vector, because let's make it temp for size comma 0. Now for each int I equal to 0, I is less than temp dot size I plus plus. While we will check if stack is empty. It's empty, not empty, and st dot top, temp of st dot top is greater than, is less than temp of I. We will pull out. So first let's store it in result at st dot top is equals to I minus st dot top, st dot pop, or we'll push it in, we'll push the index into the stack. Yeah, we are good.